Hello, it's Viking One, and I'm still in Clinton, Iowa. And I don't plan on hopping on a train today at all, but I just want to show you some things. Okay, that's the old train station here. It's abandoned. And if I were to hop on one of these trains, this one's getting ready to go. I'd hop on this car right here. This one doesn't have enough room. The well cars, that one didn't have enough room. I would have made it. If I would have hopped on this train, it was sitting here for a little bit, and I would have hopped on that car right there. That one has enough room too. I would have tried that one, but this one didn't have any floor. No deck plate made out of steel to lay down on and to set your stuff on. All right, let's walk around that old train station. I want to show you what it looked like, what it looks like now. Looks like an intermodal train, but I'm still a rookie at this. So the other hobos that have been doing this for decades, years, they know a lot more than me. But here's the building that used to be a train station here. Clearly overgrown. And I gotta watch out for poison ivy, because I get poison ivy, poison sumac, poison oak bad. You can see the Virginia creeper that's growing on the walls. There's even wild grapevines. Clearly this hasn't been kept up landscaping at all for a while. Okay, as I pan across, you can see that this is an old building, old brick building, probably built in the early 1900s, because we're not far from Chicago, and Iowa is very agricultural. I'm not going to get too adventurous today, but if I really wanted to see what was inside, I'd go there, but I'm not going to do that today. Here's the side of the old train station building. No broken windows, that's a good thing. Here's the front of the train station. That looks like more of a modern door, but clearly this was redone. Some of these windows, looks like you have some of the old wood, but parts of it were remodeled. Here's the old lattice work. That's all along the building. Very nice. And here's a little yard, a concrete walkway, a bench, and it looks like, I don't want to pick up any chiggers. Boy, did I pick up some chigger bites, mosquito bites. I mean, it's unreal how close this is to the train tracks. And you got a hobo sleeping area, an old camp, might still be active. There's a bean bag. I don't mess with anyone's, I don't even touch anyone else's stuff. But if I was in a hurry and wanted to catch the next train, and I mean, I would sleep here, but I'm going to go Greyhound back to Youngstown, Ohio. But anyways, here's part of the yard. There's the building, and as I pan to the left, there's the railroad tracks, and you can see the old wall right there, that old concrete wall. You could tell that has been there a while. There's the street in front of the old train building, train depot. Okay, it's Viking 1. I'm on my way back to Youngstown, Ohio, my hometown. And there, I want to do a short documentary on the Warner Brothers and the owner of the 49ers, Eddie DeBartolo Jr. I went to the same high school as Eddie DeBartolo Jr., Cardinal Mooney High School. And I want to also do a documentary on the Warner Brothers and Eddie DeBartolo Jr. He was the owner of the San Francisco 49ers when they won 5 Super Bowls. Denise DeBartolo York owned the team after him, and I still think she's the primary owner. But anyways, that's in Youngstown, Ohio. I'm not too far from it. I'm headed that way via Greyhound bus, and I'm by the train tracks now. I'm just doing this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good day.